Hi, I'm Sandeep Parekh and I head the Global Redesign Initiative of the Right to Public Information. The right to public information means the right of citizens of a country to access information in the government or in the governmental domain. They can do this by a simple application and preferably with nominal or no fees attached to this right, which makes the right very effective in its reach. In all, around 85 countries have some type of constitutional or statutory right. Unfortunately, a bulk of these countries, the right is not effective. Even within 85 countries, the right is not very effective in its implementation. And the devil is clearly in the detail, how the law is enacted and how it is implemented and what are the penalties for government employees to disrespect this law. As a former judge of the US Supreme Court, Louis Brandeis, said, sunlight is the best of disinfectants and a lamppost is a great policeman. So with this act, the secretive nature of government servants and governmental bodies to hide information is exposed, and it not only attacks corruption in the government but also laziness, all kinds of misdemeanors in acting within the government. We are trying to look at how this can be, an effective act can be more easily spread throughout the world. And we've seen the benefits already in, for instance, electoral practices in Botswana to the attendance of public teachers in South India. The right to public information has made a massive impact. For instance, attendance levels of public teachers in South India was below 10% before the right was used, and it suddenly became more than 70% after somebody sought the attendance register of those teachers. So clearly this is something which is extremely powerful in attacking both corruption and inefficiency in the government. What we are trying to do in the GRI is we're trying to create a model act which countries can benchmark their laws against this model act. And we also want to create a wiki with which we want to interact with ordinary citizens, how they have used, what happy stories they have and what their frustrations have been in using the act in their respective countries. So we clearly want to show the rest of the world that there is a lot of positivity around an effective right to public information and how they ought to be demanding something which is similar to the most effective of those rights. And we want to spread this word through advocacy, through any kinds of engagement with not just the citizens who ought to demand a superior and better right to such information, but also parliamentarians and political parties so that they help in implementing such a law in their respective countries. Thank you.